Ultra fluffy Japanese soufflé pancakes jiggle and syrup pour. Step 1. Prep your non-stick pan with a little oil on low heat. Have a lid and ring molds ready if using. Step 2. Whisk yolks, milk and vanilla, sift in flour, baking powder, and salt. Whisk until smooth and lump-free. Step 3. Beat egg whites with cream of tartar to soft peaks. Gradually add sugar, whip to glossy, stiff peaks. Step 4. Fold a third of the meringue into the yolk batter to lighten. Gently fold in the rest in 2 additions. Batter should be airy and thick. Step 5. Scoop tall mounds onto pan. After 1-2 minutes, add more batter on top. Add water to pan edge. Cover and steam 3-4 minutes on low. Step 6. Carefully loosen and flip pancakes. Add water, cover, and cook 2 to 3 minutes. Serve plate pancakes, dust with sugar, add butter, berries, or syrup. Thanks for watching. Please click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell. Comment your favorite pancake topping.